Hello, my name is Teacher Clarissa. What is your name? Nice to meet you. I hope you've had a good day. Today we will be reviewing our sl words, and we will also be learning some new words that begin with sn sounding words. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. So, first of all, we will review our sl words. Can you say sl? Excellent, well done, sl. So, first word we have is slit. Can you say slit? Excellent, well done. Sl, t, slit. Excellent, well done. Next word we have is slick. Can you say slick? Excellent, well done. Sl, k, slick. Can you say slick? Yes, well done. And the last sl word we have is slam. Can you say slam? Well done. Sl, m, slam. Slam. Can you say slam? Excellent. Well done. So, let's review. Slit, slick, and slam. Can you say slit, slick, and slam? Yes, well done. Now what we're going to do is learn some new sounds. We have s for sunshine and n for nose. When we put them together, we have sn. Can you say sn? Excellent, well done. So, to give us an idea of what sn sounds like, we are going to watch a video.